Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is MFHT and I am your host Faizan. This week is another episode and today I'm bringing the iPhone 12 Pro for you. Let's unbox and see how the device looks like. Alright, so here's the box. We have the iPhone 12 Pro in this black sleek box. It looks very sleek and very industrial this time. So let's quickly open the box. One thing to note is that since the iPhone 10 models, the boxes have this kind of a texture. Right, so let's open this box slowly and see what we have. Okay, this is my first time looking at the Pacific blue color iPhone 12 Pro, and I must tell you, this looks amazing. This has such a premium feel to it, guys. You have to see it to believe it. Please go to a store and check it out for yourself so that you can decide on buying a new phone. And I think this is the perfect iPhone that Apple has ever created, according to me. The design is very squarish and it's got a nice hold to it. The sides of the phone are stainless steel, so they have a good grip, and the mat feels very premium and it doesn't quite hold the scratches, so this feels very nice. And since Apple had to do something different this year, they have gone with a thinner and slimmer box with only the charging cable and the paper on top. So before I get to the phone, let me show you what's in the box. We just have the lightning to USB-C cable this time, so be careful of this cable and keep it very secure. It's going to come in handy in the near future. And then we have the SIM tool ejector, and what else? The Apple sticker, guys. We have only one Apple sticker this time, and the user guide. So this is all that we get. Let's keep that aside. That's it. This is all that we have in an iPhone box this time. It's kind of sad, but it's also what Apple had to do eventually, and companies are going to follow this trend, and the boxes are going to start getting smaller and smaller. So let's come to the phone. I want to open this paper in the ASMR style, so let's see what we have. Okay, so this is the phone and this is how it looks. Now, Apple says they have this ceramic shield built in this time, which is 4 times more protective than the last time. But glass is glass, and it will shatter, it will break. So the more flexible the glass is, the more scratch prone it is. So I'm gonna keep this safe from scratches and install a tempered glass very soon. This is all I wanted to show, and this is our first look and unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. This has been the iPhone 12 Pro unboxing. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, please do subscribe to the channel if you're watching this video for the first time and you found my channel for the first time. So I want to bring more videos to you guys, and keep hitting the like and subscribe button as much as you can and sharing this video to as many people as possible. Thank you so much for watching.